Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Today we've got a highly original 1969 Shelby GT500 Convertible. This one right here is mostly original paint. So we'll take a stroll around. This is Black Jade, white top, white interior, very rare color combo. Not many with the white top and white interior. And this is actually stunning. Black Jade really pops in the light. It is a cloudy day, a little bit windy day here in Indiana, so we don't get quite that pop, but it is a beautiful color if you like dark green. Like I said, highly original car, so you do see a couple little paint flaws, nothing major, being original paint, but all original chrome. You got those original headlights in this one. Anco OE wiper blades, all original car-like glass. These are F6015 original tires, however, not original to this one. We think that they were probably replaced early on in its life, and these are kind of the ones that stayed on it. But these are original F6015 tires on this car. Shelby's 6970s, they moved the antenna back here. That's why you see it in the back. With the fiberglass front end, they had to move those antennas back, so they relocated it to the rear quarter. That's center style Euro exhaust, beautiful. The Thunderbird tail lights give quite the look. Beautiful white top. Five-spoke Shelby wheels. Let's pop the hood. Let you guys take a peek at it. Well, if I can get it here. All right, here we go. We got the hood pop on this GT500 convertible. You can take a stroll around. There have been some things that have been changed out over the years, just to make this car, run and drive a little bit better. And obviously, just being an older car, things do get changed out. But you see the original radiator hose. You got the original smog set up, the original air cleaner set up. The chrome lid was kind of an accessory thing that a lot of people did day two. Here you see that black adhesive. It's a little bit different on Shelby's. They use kind of a thicker tape-like adhesive that they would put on, and you can kind of see it sticking out. It's not like most of the other Mustangs where they use that gray Dumbo. See the original valve covers, plug wires. Just a good original car that you're looking at here. And we're happy to have it for sale here at Nate's Classic Cars. And as we're talking about that, if you ever want to reach out for more details on any cars, you can reach out to me at natesclassiccars.com and fill out the form on there. So here we go. White deluxe interior, all original. You got original carpet, original seats and covers. See that the back panels are yellowing just a little bit. This car's been down in Florida here in its recent years, and he's been enjoying it with the top down. But right here you see 18,000 miles, 18,000 original miles on this car. So quite low mileage, and that is original miles. Let's jump to the other side. I got some paperwork laid out. You can see the original build sheet on this one. Here's the Marti Report. Number 802. Shelby invoices and original owner's manual. So we'll fire this one up. We'll take it down the road. Let you guys see how well this one drives. And I'll be in the passenger or driver's seat next time you see me. All right, we're in 802 Black Jade White interior, white top, 1969 Shelby GT500 Convertible. So let's take it down the road, show you guys just how well this one drives. So like we said, it does have original tires on it. So we'll take it kind of easy going down the road here. But this is a great cruiser. Like I said, this car's only got 18,000 miles on it. And those are original. This car has spent its recent years in Florida, driving with the top down, enjoying that Florida sunshine. So we're excited to have this one for sale and get another person driving in it with the top down. As you can see, it runs and drives great. This car is quite the cruiser and one hell of a driving car. We're gonna get this one back to the shop. If you guys like this one, interested in it, it's going to be for sale here at Nate's Classic Cars in the next couple of days. Feel free to reach out to me personally at 812-661-7743 or contact me at natesclassiccars.com.